everyone, it's Lisa with DAnaugustnails and welcome back to the channel. Okay, I have hinted this on my community page, but I do have a collaboration, partnership, something that I've been hinting for throughout my life with Maniology. And also on this channel, we have seen me struggle with stamping, okay? We do not even need to get into it. But I am so happy to be able to work with this company and to be supported as somebody who has literally no dang clue what she's doing stamping and has no business doing it. So as we go through this process together, this new partnership, just the learning curve, everything, and hopefully in the future perfecting nail stamping, I want y'all to be here for it. So I got the package. I have not looked at it. Let me just tell you, that was painstaking. That was hard. Okay. So obviously I'm hiding addresses and details and so on, but I do have a package. Let's get into it. Whew. Okay. First thing we are yanking out of here. Oh man, let me tell you how this packaging is so for the Bahamian people. Okay. Can we talk about it? Pineapples. Yes. Okay. Okay, now there's some things that I picked out myself and there were some additional goodies that were sent my way. I do not deserve them. Oh my gosh. Okay. Any indication as to what this is? Cotton grabber. Okay. Make cleanup a breeze. I love this for me. Okay. What is that? Is it gonna be pineapple themed? I'm gonna die. Okay, hold on. Okay. I have died. Yes! I am here for this. Okay, calm down. Don't want to come off basic. Don't want to come off desperate. Don't want to come off like you've never known good things to happen to in your life. I don't care what I come off as. All these things. Okay, so like, oh! That's how you work it. Oh, you push it through. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Okay. Okay, I've composed myself. If y'all came to this channel for composure, wrong channel. I'm gonna be excited. I'm gonna be overly excited about when good things happen to me. Okay? How about you? All right, I'm pulling the next thing out. Oh, okay, so dang, all right. Okay, because that was really stuck in there. Okay, express yourself one manicure at a time. All right, I love the message. I love the box. It's looking very paint splattery and swatchy. I love this for me. Okay, nail lacquer. So this is some polish bottles. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get into it. Okay. With my orders that I did, I tried to keep them very basic. Okay, so then is this clear top coat? Yeah, yes. Oh, okay, sticky base coat. Duh, Lisa, you just have to read. Sticky base coat, B38. Okay, I want to see the consistency. Like, what are we working with here? Ooh, that's nice and thick in it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I love that. Okay, I love that. Okay. Alrighty. I'm trying to calm down. I got to calm down. I need to relax. Okay, there's another box. Oh my goodness. They fit some stuff in here, y'all. Instructions. They must know me. They're like, she don't know what she's doing. She's gonna need this. Simple nail art in a box. Nail stamper kit. Okay, this is a kit that I actually chose myself. Okay, what does it come with? For you all that's wondering about your nail stamping kit, it's going to come with a 5 ml stamping art polish, 5 ml smudge-free top coat, love that for us, nail stamping plate, clear ice cube stamper with a scraper. That is a lot to fit into this box, let me tell y'all. All right, which way are we on? Where's that X-Acto? Okay, hold on, y'all. Hold on. There she is. In case you were like, which one did I choose? Okay, let me tell you something about me and bees, okay? I love them. And that's all I have to tell you about me and bees. It's a real short story. So this one is, what is it? Is that Sayo X Maniology M093. And this is all bee themed, y'all. Be yourself. Oh, that's cute. It's the bee's knees. Oh, just because Queen Bee. Hey, shout out to Queen Bee. Oh honey, buzz buzz, be cool, don't worry, be happy. All right, this is cheesy in all the best ways. In all the, oh, that's like a nice, that honeybee right there. Okay, realism, give it to us, Maniology. That's a real honeybee right there. Oh, I love this little like cartoonish, whimsical, like 70s, you know, flower child kind of vibe to this one. Oh, I like this. This is detail stuff. Okay, some flower. Okay, honeybee, like the actual pattern on said honeybee's body. I love this. We're gonna have some fun with this. Yes, we are. A little drip detail. Okay, and you know what? I see where they're going with this, but at the same time, I see possibilities. Okay, stamping guide. Yes, I'm going to study this like this is, like it's my life depends upon it. Okay, y'all. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Okay, so what else? Okay, all right. As they promised, we will be getting a scraper. I love that. I love that. Okay, cute with the paint swatches. All righty. Dag nabbit, I had to put on these gloves for aesthetic reasons, huh? Okay, all right. Clear stamper. See, do I have a box? Do I have like a cubed one? I don't think I do. Oh, she's nice, isn't she? Oh, she is very, very nice. Okay. All right. Can see right through that. Okay, see. That's nice. That's real nice. And then I got my two. Oh, did confound me and putting on these. Hold on, y'all. Gravity will always help you in all things nail related, okay? So we got the lacquer here, Stamping Duo, and we got us, okay, see? Okay, how would I get this out? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, that's real cute. Okay, okay, don't panic. Calm down. Oh, that's a rich black. That is a rich black, y'all. Okay, we're not going to swatch in this. We're just going to do a whole other video with us doing some nail art for myself because my nails look crusty. So the gloves aren't just for aesthetics. They're because I'm crusty. Okay, so we are going to really just get into these. I love that. That's such a cute, look at all that. All that in this tiny little box. That's crazy, y'all. Okay, all right. There's still more things in the bag, you guys, okay? Blessings in abundance, I say. Alrighty, okay. Calm down. Ooh, calm down. Calm down, girl. Ooh, okay. Perfect trio. Yes. Okay, all right. Okay, there's a fly in this video. It does not respect me. It does not respect this maniology moment that we are sharing, but it's all right. And I'm also recording this at night because them kids had to be cleaned up out of this room because the only noise we're going to hear is me making noise over all these beauties, all these goodies. Okay, I chose this one because, oh, we going full bee aesthetic, okay? Hold me back. Hold me back. We're doing it. Oh, my goodness. Okay, B448 Winnie. Oh, it's a cute name. That's a cute name. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Ooh, swatch me. Yes. On black and white. Okay. Say less things. Say less things, honey. Okay. This might have to be a swatch video. Yes. Okay. Love this. Okay. 24 months after it's opened, you guys. Just letting you know. Ooh, okay. So this one, I would have had to give it a good shake. That is good to know. Before I start stamping, give a good shake. I love that. That's going to be so helpful with this very bee look that we're going to create. So be on the lookout. Y'all see what I did. Y'all see what I did there. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, there's one more thing. Hold on, let me see. Okay, okay, I see. Okay, okay, okay. Another little plate. Yes. Okay. Maniology 388. And then I tell you, this speaks to me because listen to me, y'all. I live on a tropical island. There was nothing else that was going to speak to me except for some freaking. Listen, are you seeing this with me? Oh, this is nice. Oh, with summer coming up, all of the shells, all the shells. Ooh, I love a layered stamping plate. She said, knowing full well that she's still barely grasping, barely even scraping the surface when it comes to stamping. See, this is why Maniology came in. They think I'm helping them, but when in fact, they are really helping me because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, the amount of details that I was sent when they, you know, emailed me talking about collaborating, I was like, yes, please. But they were like, we are also going to help you grow as a stamper, as a nail artist. And I was like, sure, for sure, let's do it. Oh, I got a sticker, y'all. Oh, this is going right on my laptop case. Grow through what you go through. Oh, see, that's nice. I love that. This is gonna go on my laptop. Ooh, yes. Okay, 70s, flower child, very psychedelic. These are all my vibes for sure, for sure. Okay, okay. Was that it? Creativity is a tap away. I love that for me. Okay, y'all. All right, okay. I have got to swatch. I'm gonna prepare something for some swatching. I will be right back. All right, you guys, as promised, I am back to do a little stamping swatch moment. Now we're gonna use Maniology M388, which is also known as Shell Yeah. Now I did get 2 plates, as you did see. I got Busy Bees, but I'm gonna save that for the actual like set of nails that we're gonna do for myself. And I'm gonna give you guys a swatch of these 3 colors here. My perfect trio that I chose, and I went with Caramel Delight because of the vision that I have for the set that we're gonna do. So let's do a swatch. Now, as indicated by the very polite yet pushy top here that said swatch me. Okay, girl, I hear you. I will swatch you. I did some white gel polish and then some black gel polish, and then I went over with a base, and then I went over with a matte, and I cured everything. Now, whoo, girl, I got my tools of the trade. I got my scraper, I got my stamper, I got my, let's do it. Let's do it because, whoo, we're not gonna get any older. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna keep it simple. I am gonna take Winnie here. Winnie, my girl, treat me right, okay? Treat me right, because they have seen me fail on this channel, honey, Winnie girl. Stamping, they have seen me fail. So I want you to make me look good. You and Maniology, I trust, okay? And you all, I trust. Oh, gosh, okay. Step back, Winnie. Okay, it's gonna get messy, girl. Ooh, okay, giving it a scrape. Picking it up. Oh, stop it. Okay. Hey, okay. Listen, wouldn't Maniology do it, honey? Wouldn't they make you look like a stamping queen? Okay. I did that. And y'all seen it happen in 4K. Do not even try to act like I did not do this because we all saw me do this. Okay. Oh, I shook the camera. I got so excited. Okay. Winnie, you did me right. Let me see how the rest of the girls gonna treat me. Okay. All right. So now we got tippy taps. Not for nothing, I knew a girl or two that had the energy of Miss Tippy Taps here, okay? Not gonna lie. Get out of here, fly. Okay. Oh, do you know what? There's that little ball in here, do you know, that like goes in with the air dry polishes? You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's in there. I heard it shaking and oh, isn't that just the loveliest sort of like almost olive green, you know, just, oh, love that. Oh, I love that. Okay. Oh, I don't want to mix. Oh my gosh. Should I scrape? Okay, let me scrape that one more time and just make it a little cleaner. Transition. Okay. All right. You know what? I think that one was on me. I did go back in with a little scraper, and oh, that's nice in it. Oh my goodness, I'm stamping. Oh, honey. Yes. Okay. Now, okay. So Winnie did me right. Tippy Taps did me right. We need what's this what girl, what's your name is? Okay, Chunk. Okay, Chunk. Yes. Alrighty. Okay, we need you to treat me just the way Winnie and Tip Taps did, okay? I just nicknamed Tippy Taps to Tip Tap because she my girl now. We cool. We're cool. So I could rename her. Okay, Chunk. Do me right. We don't have much room for Chunk, do we? Oh, maybe she won't do me right because I don't make much space for her in my life or on my nail. Oh, she still held me down. Look at that. Look at that. She still held me down. Okay, let's see if we angle her just ever so gently on the black and on the white. Because you know, if she's going to do right by us. And she did. And she did. And I'm just going to give her a little tap. Oh my gosh, Maniology. If you can make me look good, you can make anybody look good. Oh my gosh. Y'all seen it here first. Oh my goodness, look at that. I can stamp y'all. Oh snap. Oh snap. Okay, well, I mean, listen. I love this little partnership, honey. Okay, so just a quick refresher. I got Busy Bees, this little beauty right here. And she came in my trio kit. All right, she came with the Stamping Duo nail lacquer. She came with the scraper, and she came with my stamper. Okay, so I'm gonna leave all the names and everything at the bottom. Obviously, you can pick up this cotton grabber as well from the website. I also got the lacquer, which I'm sure you can pick up as well because these are all Maniology products. You should not be worried about where you can get them. Now listen, you can get your own stamping kit with an additional 10% off by using my code. Your girl has a code. Yes, it's DAnails10. I'm gonna make sure I put it up on the screen there. DAnails10. Get yourself your own stamping kit with that additional 10% off by using my code. And I'm gonna leave a link to their website that takes you to all of their stamping kits. Okay, I'm not just gonna gatekeep it and let you only find the Busy Bees stamping kit. No, you're gonna be able to find all of them. But if you wanted to co-sign on my success and you're like, Lisa, I seen you had success with Busy Bees, you know, I want that exact same kit. I'm gonna leave the link to that as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have nothing else to say. Perfect products. They made me look good, which we know as a stamper is hard to do, to make me look good. So please support this partnership. Do know that if you use my code, I do make a little something on the side there. If you can, that would be so much in support of me and so much in support of some quality products. But also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's been my pleasure to have you here on this journey. Look forward to my Maniology moment set that's coming up in my next video where I just do an entire set using the Busy Bee plate and my starter kit. So it has been Lisa with daynaaugustnails. I will so catch y'all in the next one, y'all. Let me go play with my stamping stuff, honey. Maniology, I see you. Y'all did that. Okay, bye now.